so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put the car on, we're gonna hear it, and then after I put the intake, we're gonna listen to it again and see if there's any difference like I did with my Montero. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I'm gonna put the video and the link in the description, up there somewhere. So yeah, let's get right to it. Let me show you guys the damage first, so you can see this is my intake. I have the other part in the trunk, which I think I'm gonna put it back. But for now, the little vent thing is missing, but it's not that important. But this is crazy. Look, it has a hole. So that's why I'm changing the entire piece. We're gonna put the short ram intake. I wanted the long ram intake, but I didn't know if it was gonna interfere with the Vader, which I think now that I did a little bit more research, is not going to interfere, because I believe like the hood comes through here or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, let's take this off. We're gonna listen to it now, and then we're gonna listen to it afterwards. Here is the new intake. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, I suggest you do, because I post pictures and updates and sneak peeks on my Instagram, which is Wrenchettes. If you just search for it, and I should come up. So yeah, this is what it is. We have the actual thingy right here. We have the instructions. We have fittings. We have the blue little thing. I think that's gonna be like my color code for my interior of the engine bay. Silver with blue. So yeah, I picked the blue one. And the actual tube. So we're gonna use this part right here. Take this off of here. Throw it out of the way. No, not that away. Throw this away. Use the sensor thing.
This is our product. No look. We no look. My hands is dirty. Money in my pocket, no dirty.
Final piece, and it's raining. There you go. But it's raining, so we have to get the hell out of here, please.